Raptors have a natural fear of people. A big part of training them is to bring them closer to you, get them used to you, not afraid of you. My name is Eric Swanson. I'm a masterclass falconer. I've been training birds for over 20 years. I'm currently training birds as a professional falconer. I've been an animal trainer for about 30 years. I've worked in zoos. I've worked, training narcotic and patrol dogs. I found falconry. I like birds. Right now I'm working with two Saker falcons. Their first job is going to be working on a blueberry farm. Step.
I run Rose's Berry Farm in South Glastonbury, Connecticut. We raise a variety of crops. Our main crop is blueberries, and we have been raising those since about the 40s. And we found that we have a bird issue with our blueberries. And so we brought in about 4 years ago Eric Swanson and his troop of hawks and falcons to help us control our birds. He not only controls our birds, which can be quite the feat some days, but he's also a great font of information for our customers about birds and their behavior.